Hello, I'm Chris Pine from DentureTech, and today I wanted to share some home help tips if your mouth is getting sore from dentures. Now the first thing is that you should always try and rest your mouth. So if your mouth is a bit sore, take the teeth out, give your mouth a bit of a break, and you can find this will be enough just to get you through. If that's not working, then rinsing your mouth with salt and water will also make a big difference. From there, you need to go and see your pharmacist. Now at the pharmacy there are several products that you can buy that will help you, and we've got some here. The first one I want to talk about is Sebon. Now this is a little cushion that you can put into either your upper or your lower dentures. There's instructions on the packet. Basically you take out one of these little cushions here, you trim this so that it fits into the denture. And then push it down into place and put some warm water on it and pop it in your mouth, and then that will give it a little bit of cushion, which can work. They also have Sebon for the lower. Other things you can try are dental adhesives. We have Fix-A-Dent here, which is one that gets imported, and the more common one, which is Polydent, and you can get this from the pharmacy or from the supermarket. By putting a bit of a dental adhesive in there, again it gives it a small cushion, which might be enough just to help you get by. The last thing you can talk to your pharmacist about is a Medigel. So one of these gels, and there's several on the market, will help to numb the sore spot. So if it's irritating you, if it's slowing you down and you're not able to eat, a gel like this can help. And there's several on the market. There's Medigel, Bondgella, Oracid, Kenalog. Speak to your pharmacist and they will tell you which is the best for you. Once we're back at work, once we get through our lockdown, then phone DentureTech and we will be able to get you in and help solve the soreness for whatever is causing that. If you have any questions, pop them in the comment box below and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Otherwise, contact us on our 0800 number and we will see you once we get out of the lockdown. Stay safe, everyone.